Hi. In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product.
The Gardena robotic lawnmower operates completely on its own. It works by mowing the grass in a random pattern. When required, it automatically returns to the charging station. A boundary wire defines the lawn area to be mowed, and a sensor in the robotic lawnmower ensures that it remains within this area. Tackles inclines up to 25% and also mows during rain. Daily mowing and mulching guarantee a perfect lawn. It works quietly, saves energy and is emission-free.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.